In high-cost markets like San Jose, budget-smart remodeling is essential to make the most of your investment. Let's break down 3 cost tiers for kitchen renovations: basic, mid-range, and luxury. Basic renovations might include new paint and hardware, typically ranging from $5,000 to $15,000. Mid-range upgrades could involve new countertops and cabinets, usually between $15,000 and $30,000. Luxury renovations often feature high-end materials and custom designs, starting at $30,000 and up. Key cost factors include kitchen size and layout, materials chosen, labor and permits, and appliances or fixtures. To save money, consider cabinet refacing instead of replacement, and opt for off-the-shelf hardware. Phasing your work can spread costs over time, and using recycled materials is both eco-friendly and budget-friendly. The remodeling process starts with a consultation, followed by design, ordering materials, demolition, and installation, ending with a final walkthrough. When hiring a contractor, ask about their credentials, request a portfolio, get a detailed estimate, and inquire about warranties. Visuals will include before and after kitchen shots, examples of materials like laminate versus quartz, and smart storage solutions. We'll also show a local contractor during an in-home consultation to give you a real feel for the process.